So in this video we'll be doing Dronelink. We're going to do the follow me mode. Now things have changed. I've noticed a couple of years back with the Dronelink you had focus mode and the follow, which were very similar. Anyway, what looks like what they've done now. So guys, you've got to keep up to date with all the new tutorials on Dronelink because they got rid of the focus, and what they've done, they combined it all into the follow. So watch this vid. If you got the Dronelink a couple of years ago, they slightly changed it a bit. Anyway, the other thing is, if you just bought Dronelink, you can do your Mini 3 Pro on your tablet, but you've got to make sure that you download the Dronelink DJI app and not just the Dronelink app. It will come with it. If you watch my videos, I will explain that in one of those videos. Anyway, follow looks pretty good. What you can do with a follow with the Dronelink app, you can actually take control of the drone. In other words, you can make it go up, you can make it back, you can bring it close, and the drone can come in front of you. So, as always, guys, I'm going to take you through the principles of that. I've got my whiny little dog here, so I'm probably going to get blockages. But anyway, first thing we've got to do is we've got to get the drone up. No, sorry. I'm going to take you through the instruction first. You see what I mean in a minute. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn on the Dronelink DJI app, which is that one. Not always, just the once. So you got the screen there. I've got my drone on already. It's come in already. You can see at the top right hand corner. What we do, I should say, is down at the bottom where it says on the fly, we just tap on that, which is like a lightning bolt. We tap on that. We then got the modes. We do the follow. Okay, so there it is. So you just read the instructions there. It says move around while the drone follows you. Okay, so we get started. The next thing is we get the drone in the air, which is always a must. Now it's windy today, I must say. Right, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to bring the drone behind me. Right. Now I'm just going to bring that camera down a bit. Bring it over there a bit. Okay, I'm just going to bring it in now. What it's saying is keep it at 10 meters. It will let you know if it thinks you're just too far away. I'm just going to bring it down a little bit. Okay. I think that's about right. So we got next. Right, I want to use the options to turn on the stick. So I do yes. Okay. So that's on. Right, use the sticks to change the height, the distance while the drone follows you. So I got yes. You just make sure it's highlighted. Right, and then it's going to tell you all about the information about constantly updates. Now I like that idea. If for some reason the drone loses it, it will land near me. So yes. Next. Right, maintains yes. Okay. All right, automatic start the video, yes, because I'm one of the worst when it comes to the video not coming on when I want it to record. So, next. Do you know how to take, yes, because I've been flying drones for years, but obviously a good idea that remind people, if you just bought your drone for the first time, you got to know how to act in emergency. And I'm on about people about you for some reason, or loads of people turn up, you just need to get the drone out of the way. So yes, next. And what you get then is a list down that right hand side telling you what you've agreed to, which I think is a brilliant idea. Anyway, shall we get on with this? So there it is. Now if you notice the top left hand corner, I keep calling it a blue circle. It looks blue to me, but some people are saying it's purple. But anyway, we've got to make sure you click that, guys.
3, 2, 1.
So
starting mode.
So we're off now. we're on the walk. I'm coming back to this camera. Okay, so it's coming up behind me. Okay, I'm at 8 foot. I'm just going to raise it up a little bit because there's a twig there. Okay, even though I know it's going to stop anyway. Now, it might be a good idea if you've got obstacles, guys, you have to go back into your DJI Fly app to either take it off brake and then put on the other one to go around things. I've still got it on brake, but just to remember that you can't do it on the Dronelink app. So before you set things up, just make sure. I'm not going to go through any of these. But anyway, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to move the sticks about. So the drone's going over to the right there. Now I'm out of picture. Okay, I'm still at 30 foot. I'm going to bring that down a little bit. Bring up the gimbal. Okay, I'm about 8 foot off the ground now. I'm just going to turn around a moment. He's pretty low. Okay, we've got a couple of obstacles. This is going around that. I think he's, yep, good. Okay, I'm going to bring up the drone. Taking the drone up now. Just dropping down the gimbal a bit. I'm going to bring the drone out to the right there. I'm swinging the drone round, so hopefully he's going to come in front of me. So it's a bit like, if you think about it, it's a bit like on the Mini 4 Pro. The drones, there it is now. I'm not waving at it. It's still there, it's still on me. He's still doing good. Okay. That was my fault then. I moved the gimbal because I've got control of the drone now. Okay, I'm just going to bring it up a little bit. Okay, I've shot the drone. The drone's come round to the front. Okay, just going to bring it down behind the camera there. And if I getting used to these sticks a bit. Okay, there it is. It is really windy, and I'm amazed. I'm just waving at the drone again there. I'm amazed at how well that drone is. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to go back the other way just a quick moment. Okay, bring it up. Right, what I am going to try out something now. It's probably not a good idea. I'm just going to bring that drone down a little bit. Okay, there it is. Right, we're just going to see. Now I've got to control this, guys. It's nothing to do with the drone. That's me messing about that gimbal there. So I just want to see, will the drone go in here? And I'm going in. I just want to see what happens. I'm now, like I said, I've got it on brake at the moment. It might not go through there. It's watching me going around. I'm going to go through this end here. It'd just be interesting to see what happens. I don't think it wants to do it, which is fair enough. That's fair enough. Okay, I'll just bring up that gimbal. So hopefully that's giving you an idea. What I'm going to do in a moment, I'm going to get in the car and we'll do a car chase. So the drone's still on me. Anyway, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to land it, return to home. And we've got the dog. All right. Okay, so what it's done, the automatic's been interrupted. It's I think it's landing there. I think it. Right, Bonnie, just wait. Got my dog in my ear hole. Right, there you are. Right. So I'm just going to dismiss that. Right, what we'll do now, we're going to go in the car. It's going to be the same procedure, guys, but I did notice when I was over there, when I come in, there's a lot of dust. So I'm going to see how it copes with the dust. Okay. Return to home. Now hopefully it's going to return to home there. It's probably, looks like it's going to come and land there. I can hear it. Right, so I thought I'd put one more in. Yeah, it worked fine this time. So it's all about experimenting, guys, which is the best method. Obviously a little bit further away, it kept up pretty well, I thought. Now always remember with the follow on these third-party apps, it's usually following the receiver and not yourself or the car. But anyway, interesting results at the end, which was what we want about. So hope you enjoyed the video. As always, guys, I'll catch you in another one very soon.